Good morning, students. Today we discuss about noise and noise pollution. See, what is noise? Noise is unwanted sound, excessive sound in air or in your environment. Like unwanted particles, unwanted gases which is present in air is called air pollution. Like the same way, unwanted noise or excessive sound in the air produce the noise pollution. So, unpleasant sound are called noise. Unpleasant sound are called noise. So, sound can be pleasant or unpleasant. If it is pleasant sound which is audible in nature, our human ear can easily listen that sound without any health hazard, without any health problems like anxiety, sleeping problem, okay, or many other else which we will discuss further. Then this is called audible sound, good sound. But if any sound creates some health problems, then it is called noise, which is unwanted, unpleasant sound. How can we remove noise pollution? How can we reduce unwanted, unpleasant sound? This can be explained further. So, if you are enjoying the musicals, if you are enjoying the sound from musical instrument, musical sound is one which is pleasing on the ear. Sound produced by a harmonium is a musical sound. It is a pleasant sound, and sound produced by a loudspeaker is not pleasant. It is noise, unpleasant sound. So this is the difference between pleasant sound or unpleasant sound. Means noise. Now, what is noise pollution? In air, there are unwanted particles, unwanted gases. This is called noise. This is called air pollution, and unwanted noise, unwanted sound in the environment is called noise pollution. So, sound of the vehicles and sound of the crackers, sound of the machines, loudspeakers, these produce unpleasant sound which is called noise. Television and transistor radio at high volumes, some kitchen appliances, desert coolers, air conditioners all contribute to noise pollution. Now, next topic, what are the harms of noise pollution? See, air pollution can affect the health of humans. Like the same way, noise pollution can also create some health hazards, health related problems like lack of sleep, hypertension, high blood pressure, anxiety, many more health disorders may be caused by noise pollution. A person who is exposed to a loud sound continuously may get temporary or even permanent impairment of hearing. उसका जो hearing है वो permanent ही loss हो जाता है. तो इस तरीके से जो ह्यूमन्स है उसमें नॉइस का पोल्यूशन होता है. पीडीएफ फॉर्म में आपको ये गिवन हो गए नोट्स. आपको नोट, you will write the respective notes in your notebook. So thank you so much.